Anyways, I don't know anything about this old car. It was found at Goodwill for like $2. I know it was an all-wheel drive drift car, and I went ahead and converted it. So, gonna have to end up finding a micro lipo to fit in there, 3S. I like it. It actually comes with LED lights, but they're not hooked up right now. I'm gonna have to make a connector for them. And maybe I can do a little drifting without it doing that. Go ahead and yank the body off. I've been up here busy. Yank the guts out of this piece of crap. Of course, this car had no remote to it or anything. Ooh, she sent the photo. And it was actually set up just like this one here underneath. Hang on. Whoops, no, don't want that. It's powered by a little brushed 180 motor. That's all it is. Right here. And everything is inside of it. This old ESC actually runs dual motors, so it's got extra wires wrapped around it. Not the best looking cuts because I cut it with a soldering iron. But I had to do a lot of cutting to get this thing to fit. It had those battery trays in there that were just in the way. Hold on. Sorry guys, I had to put it down. But it was set up like this one here, so I had to cut all of that out of it. Had to cut all of that battery section out in order to get it to fit. So you guys might see some more stuff with this little Nissan Gtr later on. I might put it online. Anyways, later.